Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy. I welcome you all in my channel TanmoyChem. Today's topic of discussion is on MCQ and the question is in front of you. I request everyone, please pause the video, try by yourself, and whatever answer you get, please write in the comment box along with few words as explanation. I believe you have tried, so let's start. Now look at oxalic acid pKa1, malonic acid pKa2, and acid in this case pKa3. So this pKa1, 2, these are the first ionization constant and they are correct order. So this is the question. By the way, student, it's too many information. So what is pKa actually? pKa means minus log 10 base Ka. Then what is Ka? Ka is actually, student, acid dissociation constant. For example, if you take acid Ha, so it dissociates in water and produces H3O plus A minus. So this expression, so if you look at, this is the product ions or divided by the reactant. So this is actually the expression for Ka. Now if I say, if my acid is stronger acid, concentration of H plus and A minus is more, and obviously concentration of Ha will be less. So remember, stronger the acid, higher the Ka, lower the pK. This is the main concept. Now another thing I want to say here, since the comparison was given with three different acid, I mean oxalic, malonic and heptane 1,7-dioic, so I have drawn this structure here. The concept is acidity of a molecule depends on the stability of conjugate base, and higher the stability of conjugate base, higher will be the acidity. Now if you look at these three acids are represented, so what are their conjugate base? So you can see these are the conjugate base. Conjugate base means if you remove this H plus, so whatever anionic part is remaining, that is actually the conjugate base. Now if you look at here for the oxalic acid one, this is the conjugate base and it is electron withdrawing in nature, means this electron withdrawing group directly attached to this carboxylate. So it will help to stabilize this electron rich species, I mean the conjugate base. Similarly, if you say this is malonic acid, so here there is a CH2 in between. So obviously it is also electron withdrawing, but it is less electron withdrawing than this oxalic acid one. So oxalic acid will be stronger acid than malonic acid. And if you look at heptane 1,7-dioic acid, it is far away this group in between carbon chain. So obviously in this case the conjugate base is relatively less stable. Why? Because in this case the electron withdrawing effect is not observed. So electron withdrawing effect is maximum in case of oxalic acid, second for malonic acid, and least for this. And here remember, if molecule's acidity is higher, then lower will be the pK value. So which one is maximum acidic? Oxalic acid. So its pK will be least. Okay, fine. Who is the weakest acid? Heptane 1,6-dioic acid. So its pK will be the highest. Now look at in which option highest pK is pK3. Okay, only one option. Let's check the other points. Next will be, yes, malonic acid, and the pK, least pK will be oxalic acid. Yes, this is. So this is the right answer. Now student, if you get this question in exam less than 30 seconds, how could you solve? You need to remember this relationship that higher the pK, lower the acidity. 1,7-dioic acid has least acidity because the two carboxylic acid are farthest away from each other. So these value will be the highest, only one option available. So using this, if you do little practice, you can solve the question very quickly. So this is the overall discussion. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.